Kids, this is your Max Classwork book, page number 72. And today we are going to learn how to write number 12. T-O. T means tens, O means ones. 1, 2. 12 number is two-digit number. So we will write number 1 under T and number 2 under O. Let's start. Now you all know how to write numbers, right? So for number 1, we will start from the middle of the box, make a standing line and touch the bottom blue line. Number 1. So now number 2. For number 2, start from the middle of the box, make a curve, then make a slant line, touch the blue line and make a slipping line on blue line. 1, 2, 12. 1, 2, 12. 1, 2, 12. 1, 2, 12. 1, 2, 12. 1, 2, 12. 1, 2, 12. 1, 2, 12. 1, 2, 12. 1, 2, 12. 1, 2, 12. 1, 2, 12. 1, 2, 12. 1, 2, 12. See kids, like this way you have to complete writing number 12 in your classwork book, page number 72.